Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. So y'all, I done did something I wasn't necessarily supposed to do, but I'm sure gonna enjoy it. I ran over to Michael's because I was trying to get that one sticker book that I've been telling you that I wanted, that winter sticker book. And then the Michael's guys told me, Happy Planners 50% off. And I said, oh really? They said, yeah girl, you better go get what you want. And I was like, let me chill, let me calm it down, let me pause, let me stop for a minute. But I went and got me some stuff. And then I got a Christmas gift as well. So let's hop into what I got. So I got, we'll do sticker books first. I got the Supermom sticker book accessory pack. It would help if I could talk. And I just got this one because y'all know I love me some Supermom. And this was on clearance for like $5 or something like that. So I just, thought it would be a good little addition to have some more of these script stickers and just some of the other stuff that's in here. Like I do like the chores, me time, appointments. I like. Oh, wait, did I get my, oh, I didn't even notice there was more flags in here. Y'all, I'm gonna learn how to make me some different color flags in a minute. Y'all gonna be hating. No, let me stop. So just a quick flip through that. Thought that would be a good addition to the sticker clan over here to my left. And then this is what I went for. I went for this sticker book. I have been stalking the Michael's app because Michael's is only like 3 blocks from my house. It's a problem. I've been stalking Michael's trying to get this sticker book. I don't even know when, I didn't even realize this one came out when the fall one came out. Like somehow I overlooked all of this. Maybe it's because like when I first started planning, I was not a seasonal planner, but I'm really starting to like all the seasonals, I'm starting to like them, so I need them. I need it in my life. And they got little cute little dog stickers. So yes, that's what I went for. I went for this and I told my girlfriend when we went, I was like, okay babe, we're gonna go in, I'm going for one thing and that's it, and then we're gonna leave. Child, I lied. But those are the 2 sticker books that I got. And then I got 2 planners. So, try to get this bag out the way. So this planner is, both of these are big size planners, and I'll explain that in a tidbit. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. Yeah, that's a little better. So this is a vertical layout. It is the Be Bold Mosaics. I think it was called Mosaics. Yeah. And I'm not gonna do a flip through or anything because this planner is not for me. This planner is actually for my girlfriend. She dibbles and dabs in planning, and she had been eyeing this for a while, and she was like, I'm not gonna get it, I need to wait, Christmas, save some money. And me being the good influence, I'll say good influence instead of bad influence, good influence, I was like, is it something that you want? Are you gonna find it useful? And she was like, yeah. I was like, okay, so Merry Christmas. So I'm gonna wrap this up and put this up under the tree, even though she's already seen it. Or maybe not, because this is an 18-month planner, and she's not going to use any of the past months. She's just going to use January 2021 to December 2021. So those past 6 months, I'm going to steal and add them with my big plan. Okay. So this is a horizontal layout, and I chose to do horizontal instead of vertical is because I wanted to be able to write a little bit more. I kind of touched on that already. So it's kind of neutral, which I kind of like, but it is a seasonal planner. It has the seasonal dashboards. I haven't decided how I'm going to use this day. Oh my gosh, what is this called? You're at a glance pages yet? I may just put like what important events happen on that month or whatever, on those dates. Let me slide to the left. I am going to, I talked about this already, but I don't know. My camera cut off, so I don't know where it cut off at. You know, it likes to interrupt me in the middle of filming. But set your intention notes, date to remember. I'm gonna relabel all of these using script stickers that I hopefully learn how to do on my Cricut. If you know how, or if you know a video that could help me, please link it in the comment below on how to make your own scripts on the Cricut. I know how to do vinyl. I know how to do what was I saying? I know how to do vinyl, HTV, permanent, removable, mirror, put it on phone cases, put it on backpacks. I know how to do all that, but I want to know how to do script stickers. That was my main purpose for buying my Cricut, and I haven't quite figured that out yet. I've enjoyed playing with other things though, let me say that. So that's what I plan on doing, putting a word to describe how that month went. Maybe like some highlights from the month, events that happened that month, and birthdays for that month. That's kind of how I plan on using this page. Haven't exactly decided how I plan to use the monthly, and then rolling into the weeklies. So the reason why I chose the horizontal was so that I could write more, and I just write better with lines. So I plan on putting my pictures. Some of them may overlap and whoop, whoop, whoop. I don't really care about the dates for the most part. Like, I want to know what days of the week it is, or not necessarily what days of the week, what week it was. But like, I know for me, most of my pictures are going to take place on the weekend for the most part, unless it's like the summertime and my nephew is here. But other than that, like, yeah, somebody must have returned this planner, because they didn't toe up the little spiny page right here, or it was mishandled one way or another. I still got it now. So that's what I plan on doing, is just placing my pictures in. I haven't decided if I'm going to have my pictures printed off at Walgreens or CVS or something like that, or if I'm just going to print them from home using photo paper. I haven't decided. I have to weigh the pros and cons of the cost of ink, because my Canon printer goes through ink quickly for whatever reason. I'm even thinking about getting a new printer, but that's a whole nother situation. So this is how the layout is, and the dividers are cute, honey, cute. And it seems like it just goes in between this blue and this peach, which is fine by me, because blue is my favorite color. Like the Happy Easter, Tough as a Mother for Mother's Day, that's cute. Fun in the Sun, because it's finally summer. 4th of July, pool time, back to school for some folks. October is Halloween. November's Thanksgiving. That's cute. I like how they did that. And then December, Christmas. So that's what I plan on doing with this planner. Another planner adding to the lineup. And I have one more planner that I'm going to add to the lineup, but I'm waiting for it to come in. So as soon as it comes in, I'm so excited. I can't wait till it gets here. But as soon as it comes in, I'll be divulging how I plan on using that planner. Soon come, soon come. But this is my little mini haul from Michaels. I told myself this is my last Happy Planner purchase of the year, unless the Goals Be Happy box gets back in stock. If that one gets back in stock, then yes, I am purchasing that. And that is it for the year. And I'm going to try to go the whole month of January without making any planner related purchases, unless it's clear sticker paper, because that's something I want to have for my scripts. But other than that, that's my goal. Thank you guys for watching this haul with me. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye now.